Man, I just love practicing high wind touch and goes. Just something about it. I think it's good practice too. My buddy Ron was here, and he got some of them on video too. Don't get that very often. Yep, there's just something about it. Being able to just take off and almost hover straight up whenever I take off. It's pretty cool. It's also a pretty safe way to practice foot dragging too, because you're going so slow into the wind that if you do mess up, you can just start walking and take right back off again. So high wind is your friend.